Okay, so now we are going to talk about the difference between aún with an accent and aún. So aún and aún. So let's try it out. So the first word we have is aún with an accent. And this one means still or yet. So for example, if somebody is still not there, you can say aún no llega. He still hasn't arrived. Aún no llega. And so this one is aún with an accent. He's still not there or yet. And aún with no accent means even. So this one is used together with other words. For example, grande, big, and then aún más grande, even bigger. Aún más grande, aún más pequeño. So this one is even, but related to even bigger, even smaller. Aún. Okay, let's try some examples. The first example is bueno or bien, which means good. Bueno, bien. So in the picture we have $1. It's good. Bueno, bien. And on the second picture we have mejor, which means better. Mejor. So we have $10, which is better. Mejor. And once we mix it with aún, we get aún mejor, even better, aún mejor. So in the picture we have lots of $100 bills, which is even better, aún mejor. So bueno or bien, then we have mejor, better, and aún mejor, even better. And the same thing can be used with the opposites. For example, with the opposite of good, which is mal, which means bad. Mal, bad. And then we get peor, which means worse. Worse. Peor. So mal, bad, then peor, worse. And after peor, we can mix it with aún, so we get aún peor, even worse. Aún peor. So mal, bad, peor, worse, and aún peor, even worse. And we can also use it with más. For example, más means more. For example, in the picture we have 4 airplanes. Más, more. And when we mix it with aún, we get even more. Aún más. Even more. Aún más. So we have 4 airplanes, más, more. And aún más, we have tons of airplanes right there. Aún más. Even more. And the same thing can be used with the opposite from más, which is menos. Less. Menos. Less. And if we mix it with aún, we get aún menos. Even less. Aún menos. Even less. So menos, we just have like 3 coins. Aún menos. Just 1 coin. And let's try the first example. Here we have, tengo mucho dinero. I have a lot of money. Tengo mucho dinero. And the second one we have, yo tengo más dinero. I have more money. Yo tengo más dinero. And another example, él tiene aún más dinero. He has even more money. Aún más. Él tiene aún más dinero. He has even more money. And the next example. Yo tengo menos dinero que ustedes. I have less money than you all, ustedes. Yo tengo menos dinero que ustedes. Okay, let's try another example. Here we have hace mal tiempo en esta ciudad, which means the weather is bad in this city. Hace mal tiempo means that time is bad, but basically the weather is bad. Hace mal tiempo en esta ciudad. And you can also say pero, but, en esta ciudad hace aún peor tiempo. But in this city, the weather is even worse. Pero en esta ciudad hace aún peor tiempo. So, aún peor, even worse. And let's try a few other vocabulary words. We have cantante, which means a singer. Cantante, singer. And then we have bailarina, which means a dancer. Bailarina, dancer. And the third one is músico, which means musician. Músico, musician. So cantante, the singer, bailarina, the dancer, and músico, musician. Okay, let's try some examples. El músico toca el piano. The musician plays the piano. El músico toca el piano. And another example. Los bailarines bailan en la calle. The dancers dance in the street. Los bailarines, the dancers, bailan, dance, en la calle, in the street. And let's try this one. Él baila bien. He dances good. He is good at dancing. Él baila bien. And the next one. El cantante canta mal, which means the singer sings bad. El cantante canta mal. The singer sings bad. And let's try another example. La bailarina canta aún peor. The dancer sings even worse because it's a dancer, not a singer. La bailarina canta aún peor. And you can also say, pero, but, ella baila aún mejor. But she dances even better. Pero ella baila aún mejor. So that's it for this one, and I think it's an easy lesson. So thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.